Alright, now we're gonna change out the cabin air filter, the GAGT. This is my first time doing it, so we'll just take it by step. One thing I saw first is that you need to remove the liner. This is a two-piece. Right here, it's gonna split right here. Take all of these self clips in, take them out, and then we'll go from there. All right, you guys. Once you get the self-locking clips out, what I did was I lifted it up. I lifted it up, but it still worked. But from the way the exit part is set up, it looks like you need to lift up and pull to the right. But I just lifted up, so it looked like it worked. Man, that shit's dirty. Hella dirty. Look at that. Look at that. Hella leaves. That thing's clogged. Oh shit. Yeah, I've had the car for at least a year and a half, and I'm pretty sure the last owner did not maintain it, as you can see. So we're gonna vacuum that out, clean it as best as possible, then pull out the old filter, and we'll take a look at it. Alright. So there's a new filter. Let's have a comparison. Much nicer. Look at this shit. I'm plugged up. And this one has a better seal. It's thicker, better seal. It's washable. More sturdy. This thing's all flimsy from the sides. It's only sturdy from the top and bottom. So if you're changing yours out, might as well upgrade to like a K&N or something, because this is shit. Alright, so I cleaned it out with the vacuum. It's all clean now. So now let's install it. Alright, you guys, I'm done. There's the air filter. So just put everything back on. The cover, the clips, the liner, and I'm basically done. That's it. Easy fix, easy replacement.